Alright, so hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video on how to replace your air filter. I'm actually switching to a K&A air filter since I need a new one anyway, so I just decided to spend the extra few bucks to get a cleanable one. So you should know this. Pop the trunk. Right, come over here. Might be able to do this with one hand. Alright, so it's right here. It's got these little clippy guys here. Then you'd say a sensor that just has to be unplugged over here, just to get so you can get it out of the way. And then this should just come off. There's the original air filter that I'm replacing. Way past due, as you can see. It's pretty disgusting. This is my new K&A one. It's pretty nice. Open this up. It's pre-oiled. You can see the oil in there. It's got that red, pinkish tint to it. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Alright, and it goes like this. It's pretty straightforward. Make sure it's seated. Alright, that's good. Put this back on. Kind of wiggle it in place. Make sure these are lined up. Connect the sensor back in. Nice little click there. And then let's find the place. These guys just kind of should snap in once everything's seated properly. So this one here, and this should be easy. There we go, and that's it, and we're done. Alright, hope that was somewhat useful. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. The only thing I kind of breezed over was this connector. You just kind of push it up here higher and it just kind of pulls off. There's a little clippy thing there. Alright. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope it's useful to someone. See ya.